Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of who's up. Here click on settings, then this page you can click on apps, default apps settings. On above you can search about who's up and you can click. Here in this page you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll insert the window of storage. Here you can click on sorry, not here, we go to storage. When you click on first stop you go to storage, and here you can click on clear cache. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.